everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Hill Road and I did some shopping there, and when you guys saw that on my Instagram story, I got so many requests to do a Hill Road haul. So I decided to film this video for you all and also add a few things that I got from Colaba Causeway the other day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna start off with all the tops that I bought. Majority of the tops that I'm going to be showing you all are either off shoulder or cold shoulder. I don't know what I was thinking when I was buying so many off shoulder and cold shoulder tops, but I think I'm kind of obsessed with them, so yeah. The first top is very summer appropriate, maybe because of its color. It's this mint green or mint blue off shoulder top that has kind of ruffles on the neckline and also on the sleeves. The second top too is an off-shoulder top. It's in one of my favorite colors. It's the color mustard. It has really pretty crochet detailing on its sleeves and also on the bottom of the top. The third off-shoulder top is a basic white off-shoulder with vertical lines. I think it's perfect when you're really lazy but you still want to look cute. Now I have a few cold shoulder tops. The first one is a very simple black and white cold shoulder top. At first it's very simple, but it has this crochet detailing on the neckline which I think really spices up the top. And the last cold shoulder top is definitely my favorite. It's this ombre off-shoulder top. It fades out from this really pretty peachy pink into the light pink and finally white. It also has these really pretty ties at the neckline. All the tops that I just showed you are from Hill Road, Bandra, and I got all of them for rupees 200 each. I got a few more tops. The first one is a very formal yet chic. It's again in my favorite color mustard and it has a really conservative neckline, but I think it fits me really well and it would be perfect for a little more formal event. I got this blouse from Hill Road, Bandra for rupees 200. And lastly, for the tops, I picked up two basics. The first one is in this maroonish red color. It's a full sleeve, really basic top. I picked up the same top in a different color. It's in this bright yellow. I picked these both up for a video that's going to be coming up really soon, and it's really nice to have basics anyway. I got both of them from Hill Road, Bandra for rupees 100 each. It's summer and I thought that I really wanted a kimono, so I picked this black kimono up which has a really pretty floral print to it and also some really pretty fringes at the bottom. Now this is from Hill Road, Bandra and it's for rupees 500. I know that's really expensive for Hill Road, but the guy was just not ready to bargain and I really wanted this top, so yeah, I got it. I just picked up one dress and it was this bodycon dress. It's this midi bodycon dress with blue, black and white horizontal stripes all over it. Now I picked this up mainly because I thought it would fit me really well, and I was right, it fits me like a glove. It really flatters my body and I got it for only 200 rupees, which I think is a steal from Hill Road, Bandra. Now moving on to bottoms, I picked up some really cool joggers. The first one is definitely one of my favorites out of everything that I bought. It's this really simple light grey joggers, but it has this gorgeous embroidery on one of its thighs. I think it's so different and unique, and the fact that I found it on the street for rupees 200 is kind of mind-blowing. I got it from Hill Road, Bandra. The second pair at first glance is really simple and basic. It's this pair of dark grey joggers, but it has this really cool pattern going on either side of the legs, which I think really gives that athleisure vibe that's really trendy these days. So I also picked up this pair of black leggings that says workout on one of its legs, and I got this because I thought that I could wear it when I was working out, and I have been wearing it when I work out, and I have to say that they're so comfortable and stretchy, and I got them from Colaba Causeway for rupees 150. Now moving on to accessories, I got so many chokers. I went a little bit crazy, so I'm just gonna speed through it and show you all the chokers that I got. The first one is this really basic black thick satin choker that I think everyone has and everyone needs. Next, I got this string choker that you can use to tie around your neck and also tie a bow around your neck. Now this choker is really grungy and I believe Alia Bhatt wore it in one of her Instagram posts. It's this choker with like a ring around it. And the next one is this layered choker with a circle pendant on it. I have one more layered choker with a square pendant on it. And I got all of these chokers from Hill Road, Bandra for 100 rupees each. I have one more choker to show y'all, but this one is so cute and it's definitely one of my favorite chokers that I've bought till date. It's this silver bohemian choker. It's kind of Indo-Western, but I think you can definitely wear it with Western outfits as well. And I got this from Hill Road, Bandra for rupees 200. So if you're really into fashion, you must have noticed everyone wearing those corset belts, like those huge belts around their waist. And I really wanted to get one, so I went to Hill Road, Bandra, and there's this one shop that sells only belts, and I picked this really thick belt. Definitely not what I was looking for, but I just couldn't find one of those corset looking belts, so I just settled in with this. And I got this for rupees 200. Moving on to sunglasses, I picked up 3 pairs of sunglasses. The first one was this really funky cat eye glasses. I got these for rupees 200 from Hill Road, Bandra. The second pair are these round glasses, kind of inspired by the Ray-Ban round glasses, and I got them for rupees 100 from Hill Road again. And the last pair are these pair of glasses, nerdy glasses. Nothing really special about them. I got them for rupees 150 from Hill Road, Bandra. So yeah, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!